Welcome back to another video. As you can see, we are in our extension tower and it's gonna become a closed tower quite soon. Well, not until we move in upstairs, but we do have to pursue it and continue on with the walls, and we have to actually seal the side walls because the water is getting in and we don't want these sheets to blow up. So today's job is to close up these two sides. The front is going to be separate because we realized that we don't know exactly what windows this one wants, which one's openable, which one's not. And also I think this framing wood we're running out, so we're just going to frame up this one. This one's going to be a lot more frame. Work needs to be done, and we are just going to do the window in the middle, not all three with windows. The only reason Despin agreed with building this tower 2 stories instead of just having just a basic entrance, well, not an entrance, it's more of an extension veranda, it's not an entrance door, is because we're going to put a closet in here. So it's going to be just a full-on walk-in closet, because that is going to be a master bedroom, so you have a walk-in closet. That's the only reason why she agreed with it, is because this is going to be a closet.
So that's why there's going to be only one window, because it's going to be like an all-around
closet. One for me, and well, like one small shelf for me, and the rest for Despina probably.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's go and make the windows that actually go on these sides. We have made one already last time, and we need to make one more. So let's get on with it.
Whoa.
Wrong way of
Looks
pointing.
like marshmallow. So we have good news and bad news. Good news, this window will fit perfect. And originally we had those 2 windows of these ones that were perfect size to go one on each side, but we realized that it has water leaking in, or it was cracked, I'm not sure.
No, it was rubber seal was broken, so it had moisture inside.
It has moisture inside, so that wouldn't work. So we went with the closest other window, which is this one, that is 3 centimeters bigger.
Okay, so we need to move the beam.
We need to move the beam. Luckily, we have only screws on the side, so we could knock it a bit on one side, like one of these ones. Could go a bit to the side, so we are lucky in that sense. But this one fits perfect. Just gotta readjust a bit that side, and we are gonna put the bigger window on that side because I don't know, that's the side that is more beautiful view instead of the other side. I would like to put windows, all 3 windows, like put 1 window in each cup, but as we said, it's gonna be a walk-in closet, so that would kind of defeat the purpose to have windows everywhere. And we have the beautiful window in the front. I think that is gonna add up to be perfect. And yeah, so let's now quickly install them and then put a wind barrier. And actually now, this gap and that gap are equal.
We had it a bit offset.
Yes. So everything happens for a reason. Okay, so let's now put the support and put them in.
Yeah.
The window is perfectly centered with the apple tree.
Nice. So we have finished up the support, so now it's all nice and strengthened up. And I'm thinking about adding here, but I don't think it needs. I have this one very high up because we need it for attaching the siding to this. So it kind of makes a double beam on the very top, of course here as well, all the way through. So I'm not sure if it honestly needs this way. I don't think there's much flexing going on this way. And we have the bottom one, and I think it's going to be perfectly fine. And the siding, of course, as we said, it is pure wood. It is not some sort of metal siding, something that is not structural. So it is also going to add a lot of structural strength to it as well. So let's now add the windproof. That's the last thing we want to do for this video and today, so we can get on with the siding tomorrow. So let's get started, add the wind barrier, and we'll be done.
I missed it. I actually pushed the gate open from panic.
You like my long dress?
Beautiful.
So as you can see, it is all nice and cozy in here, except the front. That is still open, but we are gonna do that separately at a different time. We need more wood, of course. We run out of the framing wood. We have some small pieces, but there we need much bigger ones. Still a lot more securing left to do because we are not putting the heavy windows in just before we are ready that it's secure and well done. And also to figure out how exactly to do the siding and the angles and everything is just a big mess because of the shape. But I really love the shape, so I wouldn't do it any other way. It does hold our both weight, no problem. We're both standing on the edges actually, like no problem at all. And windows are definitely not even close to both of our body weights. And I think it can hold probably a lot more than that. It's just to be really secure and like, you know, safe for the future so it can stand many years without any worry. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's well done, and we thought it was going to be a lot harder than that, but we did it, and now we're ready for the siding. So hope you enjoyed. We're going to see you in the next one whenever we do the siding. So bye-bye.
I can't wait when we're actually gonna be able to live up here. Imagine there's gonna be a bed.
Yeah, I'm in the living room.
Where are you? Oh yeah, you're in the living room for upstairs.
Our private living room.
Oh, can't wait.